Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Lighting Systems Monthly 20 at 10 webinar series. I am Brian Franco from the Lighting Systems Tech Department, and today I'm happy to introduce Brian O'Sullivan from Lumascape. Brian is Lumascape's Director of Sales for North America, as well as our Western Regional Sales Manager. Today, Brian will be introducing you to a high-performance exterior direct view outliner fixture known as Vestalux. I'm excited to learn more. Brian, please take it away.
All right. Well, thank you very much. And hello, everyone. Again, Brian O'Sullivan here, the Director of Sales for Lumascape North America. Thank you for joining me here today at Lighting Systems 20 at 10 to learn a little bit about Lumascape, our product categories, and how we can help you solve your lighting challenges on your next exterior project. So over the next 15 minutes, I'll give you a high-level overview of our product categories, cover some of our differentiating value and key specification features, and introduce you to one of our latest products, the Vestalux. So I have a lot to cover, so let's get started and kick things off with a little bit about Lumascape. We are headquartered in San Marcos, California. However, originally born in Australia in 1991, we are a 30-year-old specification grade exterior lighting manufacturer, now part of the Hunter family. We joined Hunter in 2019, and for those of you who may not be familiar with Hunter, Hunter is a 40-year-old family-owned manufacturer of best-in-class solutions for the landscape irrigation, outdoor lighting, dispensing technology, and custom manufacturing sectors. We export to more than 45 countries around the world, and all products are designed to meet UL, ETL, CE, and CCC, as well as other international standards. As previously mentioned, our headquarters is in San Marcos, California, and we have worldwide contributors to R&D, marketing, sales, and manufacturing. In-house testing equipment includes a 52-foot goniophotmeter, integrating sphere, UV chambers, and a whole bunch more capabilities for testing for like IP and IK ratings. Our product categories include facade, direct view, in-ground, landscape, and pathway. While there isn't enough time to cover everything here today, please know that we have an extensive exterior product lineup that would complement really any of your projects. We have a number of technologies integrated into our products to enhance performance, to promote longevity of product life. While time today doesn't allow us the opportunity to discuss these in details, just please know that Lumascape is a high quality performance fixture built to deliver exceptional lighting and last through harsh environments. So the first product I'd like to share with you today is one of our latest additions to the Direct View family. This is the Vestalux V2 Outliner. And here you can see the installation on top of Melbourne's Rialto Tower. So the V2 comes in two forms with round or square optics with mounting options of either adjustable or fixed brackets. The product is certified to work worldwide in either line or low voltage. Some of the key features include a compact size at just over 2 inches. It emits about 600 lumens per foot in a single color and about 300 lumens per foot in dynamic color. The V2 can run up to 45 fixtures per run on a single circuit up to nearly 500 feet. This means less control boxes and less penetration points on installation. And finally, the diffused effect is really best in its class. So with the Vestalux 2, we've now filled out our linear direct view range to suit any application. And at 45 luminaires on a single circuit with that maximum length of just under 500 feet, this is basically double the low voltage version. So as you can see in this application photo, our V2 outliner is designed specifically to light architectural facades. Its broad beam wash creates a soft glow to the broad areas around the building. And we've developed our optics around the premium Luxian LED. So they provide flawless color mixing while creating a constant illumination pattern so that our light output is evenly dispersed. And they help maximize optical efficacy and are specifically designed for architectural applications. Any optic can be used with any color option. Standard whites are offered in 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, and 5000 Kelvin. For dedicated colors, such as like a red, red, green, or blue, just contact us directly and we can do dedicated colors. Tunable white ranges from 27 to 6500 Kelvin. And the difference between the Rgbw with the royal blue and the RGBA is that the Rgbw is designed for a crisp, modern lighting effect as the color range is cooler, whereas the RGBA has warmer pastel colors and is designed more for that heritage style lighting effect. We offer 2 power options. There's 4 watts of power at the LED while consuming 5 watts per foot. And then the second option is the 6 watts per foot with a consumption rating of 7 watts per foot. Lifetime ratings are calculated at the V2's maximum ambient temperature, operating temperature of 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And the V2 is available in both line and low voltage. So given that this product is available in both line and low voltage, care needs to be taken when selecting the appropriate power supply control interface. For these to properly work, the LS6550 needs to be selected for low voltage applications, whereas the LS6540 needs to be used in line voltage applications. So these must be specified and purchased with the luminaires in order to have a functioning system. The control protocols include DMX, RDM, ArtNet, and 0 to 10 volt. Control flexibility is provided by the V2's configurable resolution, and that resolution can range from the full fixture all the way down to 3/4 of an inch. So to see these in application and how smooth that flexibility, the lighting control is really quite remarkable. The low voltage version, up to 24 4-foot fixtures can operate on a single circuit with a maximum total circuit of just under 250 feet. While the line voltage can support, again, 45 5-foot fixtures on a single circuit and a maximum total circuit of just under 500 feet. So this is our low voltage unit featuring the 6550 PowerSync. And then this here would be the line voltage unit we refer to as the 6540. We use the high quality materials in all of our products. As for the V2, we use a marine grade aluminum, followed by a 9-step powder coating process for corrosion resistance in harsh environments, stainless steel fasteners throughout, UV stabilized polycarbonate lens with our specially developed UV shield applied to provide superior protection against those ultraviolet rays. The optics have been designed for exceptional side visibility, which is perfect for those architectural high rises. And taking a look at our dimensions, in either case, whether it's a line voltage or low voltage, square or round, this is a nice minimalist type of product, ranging from just 1.8 to 3 inches wide and 2.6 to 3.5 inches tall. So height and width are dependent on the optic and the voltage selected. Both low and line voltage of the V2 are available in 1 to 5 foot lengths. And the bracketry options include both fixed and adjustable. So our adjustable brackets were designed to make installation and aiming easy as possible. So you simply loosen the screw where applicable to adjust the bracket for aiming and or for actual position. Similarly, the fixed bracket position can be easily adjusted as well. The luminaire gap is measured where one fixture ends and the next one begins, with a minimum gap to be considered if you're doing end-to-end fixtures. So now there are 2 cable accessories, a leader cable and a jumper cable. So the leader cable is used to easily connect between the PowerSync injector and the first fixture. And this is especially used when you are trying to hide the PowerSync injector a certain distance from the first fixture without having to run lights the entire way. We offer various lengths ranging all the way up to 100 feet. And then the jumper cable is used to connect between fixtures and is offered in various lengths up to 50 feet. So something unique about this cable is that it carries both data and power, so just one cable for both. The V2 is an IP66 and 67 rated fixture and has been designed and tested to pass IP68 rating. On top of this, the IK rating is 10 and it has a 3G vibration resistance. The product was designed and built to withstand dry, damp, and wet locations with worldwide compliance. Designed to connect a variety of fixtures together, our connectors are standardized, underwater rated, and feature watertight locking with micro anti-leach technology. Our cables provide both power and data in one watertight cable. So just like the low voltage, the line voltage cable includes the same specification features. Some of the technologies featured in the V2 include the pure blend. This prevents color separation at the lens and provides pure flowing color with no outbreaks or color separation at the lens. Cool Drive is an intelligent thermal management system specifically designed to monitor and regulate heat control. For example, if the fixtures are left on during the day and the fixture starts to get too hot, it will automatically ramp down the light output in the driver, and it doesn't turn them off, but it does this to help protect the system there. Micro anti-leach prevents water from getting into the fixture through the cable. The cables are treated with a resin, which prevents water from getting sucked into the cable and into the fixture. And then PowerSync. This is the PowerSync, which is our high-speed digital communication technology. This allows addressing and granular control of every luminaire using a single cable. And then UV shield, this is applied UV coating to UV resistant plastic, creating an additional barrier to UV. So there's a lot of information here. If you hop over to our website, we do have these nice one-page sheets here that kind of put together all some of the key specification features. So that's the V2. Excuse me. So the next product that I'd like to talk about is our V1. This is the Direct View Outliner. This is an extruded aluminum product, has a glass lens, and is intended for outlining large architectural buildings and architectural features. The product itself has a glass front lens and a very even diffused optic underneath. So when you order one as an Rgbw or an RGBA, as a tunable white or fixed white color, any color temperature, the color mixing on this product is absolutely flawless. So I think you'll be quite impressed when you see one of these in actual application. The product itself is also available in the 5 different lengths, from 1 up to 5 foot. And the photometric performance, they're producing around 500 lumens per foot for white and in between 250 and 300 lumens per foot for the color changing, which is pretty bright for a direct view product, particularly one that is forward facing. All of the intelligence is actually built into the product itself, even though it's very small at 1.1 inches wide and either 1.1 inches deep for the white version or 1.3 inches deep for the color changing versions, just to give it a bit more depth for the color mixing. So all of the intelligence is built right in, even though it's very compact. These have full RDM capability. They have our Cool Drive system, which is that thermal management system that I had mentioned earlier. And they also have a whole bunch of RDM personalities. So you're actually able to control these all the way down to 3/4 of an inch as well as the full luminaire. So you can get some pretty nice color effects from these fixtures. With our Rgbw, the blue is a really deep royal blue, so it gives you these incredible purples and mauves that you can't achieve any other way. So color mixing is phenomenal with no color separation or breakout whatsoever on the lens. Even when we're doing our red blues and our green yellows and more difficult to mix colors, we still get perfect color mixing and no breakouts. So it's actually powerful enough that you can use it as a low power wall wash. So you can use it for a degree of grazing and get some pretty interesting effects that way as well. So the product has various mounting options, adjustable or fixed mounting bracket, just like the V2. You can set the angle, aiming it the way you like it to be, and then there are 2 grub screws on the bottom that allow you to release and adjust that bracket up and down and be located anywhere on the fixture itself. So the brackets, again, are very flexible in terms of their installation, and they're also 3G rated as well. Even on the 5-foot fixture, it's 3G vibration rated on the adjustable brackets. So in terms of wiring and system control, you are actually able to get up to 96 feet of this product onto a single PowerSync controller, which means, again, less penetrations, less cabling, less wiring, less controllers, and less power supplies, and a quicker, simpler installation. Given that it comes in a fixture up to 5 feet, it means that you can cover more wall with fewer installations. As you can see here, power consumption is similar to that of the V2, with 6 watts to the LED and 7 watts consumed, and 4 watts per foot at the LED with 5 watts consumed. Other key features to point out, this product uses the premium Luxian LEDs as well, has the same marine grade aluminum body, the 9-step powder coating system, superior corrosion resistance, toughened glass lens, stainless steel fittings, and this one here is IK6 rated. So I know that's a lot of information to cover in a short period of time. For data sheets, product installation instructions, etc., visit our website at lumascape.com. And we're going to take a few minutes to do some Q&A. And then after that, I do have a short 2-minute phenomenal video of this product in action that would be well worth hanging around for. So with that, let's jump into some of the questions.
Yeah, we do have a few questions, Brian. So the first one is, what is the minimum controllable length on Rgbw applications?
The minimum controllable length? I don't believe there is a minimum, and I have 1 foot samples. So if there's a specific application that would require it even shorter, I would check with our engineering department, but I don't believe there is one. Again, I have whole sample kits with this installed. They're just short connectors.
Okay. What is the current lead time for the Vestalux?
So current lead times, we're right about 8 weeks right now. So there were supply chain issues, as we all have faced. And what we did is many months ago is we started to do some modifications. We redesigned some of our fixtures to accept multiple suppliers of different components to allow us, so we weren't caught shorthanded, if you will, on suppliers of different components. So we are at an 8-week lead time right now.
Okay, thanks for that. And one more question before we send it to the video. What is the IK10 rating for the Vestalux fixture?
The IK10 is 6. That's so we have the Vestalux 1, the Vestalux 2. The Vestalux 1, which is the flat glass, that has IK6. The other one, which comes in the round and square, that has the IK10 rating.
All right. Thanks, Brian. That was great. Thanks for everyone who joined us for our 2010 this morning. If anyone has any further questions or needs help specifying the Vestalux or any of the other great products from Lumascape, please reach out to your lighting systems rep or any of your other contacts at Lighting Systems for assistance. And please join us for our next 2010 webinar, November 9th at 10 a.m., featuring Kurt Burson presenting their Noni line, which is a new line of architectural downlights and cylinders. You can sign up now on the Lighting Systems website. Thanks again for joining us, and have a great day. And stick around for Brian's video if you have the time. Thank you.
Yeah, you have to watch this. It's great. I'm going to kick it off now. There you go. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate your time today.